Genetics for ICSE Class 10. Have you ever wondered why you look like your parents? Why some people have curly hair, while others have straight hair? The answer lies in genetics. Today, we'll learn the complete ICSE Class 10 genetics chapter in a simple and exam-friendly way. What is genetics? Genetics is the branch of biology that studies heredity and variation. Heredity means the transmission of traits from parents to offspring. Variation means differences among individuals of the same species. Gregor Mendel. Father of genetics. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. He performed experiments on pea plants and discovered the basic laws of inheritance. DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a hereditary material present in almost all living organisms. DNA carries genetic information from one generation to the next and is found inside chromosomes in the nucleus of cells. Found in chromosomes. Carries hereditary information. Controls traits and characteristics. The structure of DNA was discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. Important terms. Before moving ahead, let's learn some important terms. Gene, unit of heredity. Chromosome, thread-like structure carrying genes. Alleles, different forms of the same gene. Dominant trait, expresses itself even in the presence of another trait. Recessive trait, expresses only when both alleles are recessive. Color blindness. Color blindness is a genetic disorder in which a person cannot distinguish certain colors, especially red and green. The gene for color blindness is present on the X chromosome. Therefore, it is an X-linked recessive trait. Males are more commonly affected because they have only one X chromosome, more common in males than females. Haemophilia. Haemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder. In this condition, blood does not clot properly, leading to excessive bleeding even from minor injuries. It is X-linked recessive disorder. Mendel's laws. First, law of dominance. The dominant trait appears in the F1 generation. Second, law of segregation. Alleles separate during gamete formation. Third, law of independent assortment. Different pairs of traits are inherited independently. Pedigree analysis. A pedigree chart is a diagram that shows the inheritance of a trait through generations of a family. Square for male, circle for female, filled square for affected male, filled circle for affected female. Scientists use pedigree charts to study how genetic disorders are passed from parents to children. Mutation. Sometimes, sudden changes occur in genes or chromosomes. These changes are called mutations. Mutations may be beneficial, harmful, or have no effect at all. They are an important source of variation in living organisms. Human genetics. Humans have 46 chromosomes arranged in 23 pairs. 23 pairs equals 46 chromosomes. 22 pairs equals autosomes. One pair equals sex chromosomes. Male equals XY. Female equals XX. Sex determination. The father determines the sex of the child. Father produces X and Y gametes. Mother produces only X gametes. X plus X equals girl, XX. X plus Y equals boy, XY. Important exam questions. Here are some frequently asked ICSE questions. Define heredity and variation. What is DNA? State Mendel's laws. Explain monohybrid inheritance. What is mutation? Why is color blindness more common in males? What is hemophilia? What is a pedigree chart? Differentiate between dominant and recessive traits. Explain sex determination in humans. Outro. If this genetics chapter helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. For more ICSE Class 10 biology videos, keep watching ConcepTara. ConcepTara, like, share, subscribe.